Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are doing a low-carb Zuppa Toscana sausage soup, which is so amazing and super simple to make. So if that's of interest to you, stay tuned and let's do this. If you're new here, my name is Heather and I do videos on life, food, family, and fun. And those include product reviews, makeup reviews, life hacks, kitchen hacks, food hacks, parenting tips, all sorts of stuff that affect our lives to hopefully inspire you in yours. So if that is of interest to you, I would hope that you would consider subscribing, and then when you do, hit that bell so you're notified of every video that I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. So today's video is an amazing keto soup that just warms you from the inside out. And as you could see in the beginning of this video, it is cold outside and rainy and gloomy. And so what better thing to do than to make a hearty soup that's satisfying and super easy to make. So let's get in the kitchen and do it. So I showed this soup to my son and he was all like, and I'm like, I know, right? So I let my other son give it a taste. And he was all like,
this soup is red.
Uh-huh. But the true test is my husband, who's the pickiest eater on the planet. I let him have some, and he was like,
this soup is legit.
And that's when I knew I had a winner and had to share it with the world. So the first thing you're gonna do is brown up some Italian sausage. Now you can use hot and spicy sausage. I just use regular because I add cayenne pepper. So you're gonna brown that up in a big pot. Then you're going to add chopped up cauliflower. If you've not seen my video on how to chop a cauliflower super easy, you need to watch that video. And once you add that in, you're gonna add in some onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and salt. And then cover that with two 32-ounce boxes of chicken broth. You're gonna let that simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the cauliflower is fork tender. And to that, you're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream and some chopped up kale. And that is it. It is super easy, super satisfying, and super yummy.
This soup rocks.
That's it. It's so easy. I hope this will inspire you to get out there and try some new soups. I make a really big batch of this because everybody loves it and it doesn't really last very long, but you can cut the recipe in half. I will have it linked below in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.